The index file type is a generic database used by system searches or help features. It speeds up lookups. You can't open it. It's for the computer, not you. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. You can ignore it. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn index files, you need a software that can work outside the box, a true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. An index file serves as a system-level or database index, facilitating rapid data retrieval. It contains pointers to the physical locations of data records, enabling efficient searching and sorting operations. These files are crucial for optimizing performance in database management systems and operating systems, reducing the need for full table scans. Index files are typically structured as B-trees or hash tables, optimized for quick lookups. The design involves balancing the index size with search performance, considering factors like key length and data distribution. Regular maintenance, such as rebuilding the index, is essential to prevent fragmentation and ensure optimal performance as the underlying data changes. Commonly, index files use operating system or database management system developed by Varies. Windows is unable to perform a full checksum validation required by this file type. Windows offers minimal help in understanding index files, so specialized applications must interpret them. To resolve the application failure, right-click your index file and choose Open With. Check for operating system or database management system and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. If your index file will not open, do not worry. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the index problem. First, recognize the file type. Understand that an index file is an index metadata file used by a main application, e.g. Eclipse, browser, and is not meant to be opened manually. Next, use associated application. Open the corresponding main file or launch the application. Finally, delete and recreate. If the associated program is throwing index errors, delete the index file and allow the program to automatically recreate a fresh index. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.